as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. As we speak, Treasury Consulting is a multinational headquartered group based out India, Singapore, and Hong Kong. We are a multinational hedge fund, completely proprietary in nature. No third party can invest, and more importantly, 100% profitable. Before I start today, I would like to give you a good news, which is our OTT platform Over the Top is few days away from two big milestones. Number one, in this month of May, we would be starting our Hindi videos on OTT platform, which practically means we would be bilingual in nature. So just like Amazon, Netflix, we would be bilingual in nature. Currently, all the videos are in English. So we are few days away from that milestone. Second is probably tomorrow evening, maximum I would say, we are entering in the world of CFA trainings, which means our OTT platform would be handing over videos covering CFA trainings, covering 8 minutes each. We are few days away from these two milestones. And for our OTT platform, more milestones are on the cards. We are committed to be a very big OTT platform, but unlike movies, drama, documentary, cricket, and all these, it would be a knowledge-based OTT platform. I have already uploaded my video on YouTube channel covering my opinion about Life Insurance Corporation IPO. And from the last several weeks, I am consistently saying that my fund would not be investing in Life Insurance Corporation IPO, because I strongly believe that LIC is completely overpriced as we speak, keeping the current equations as a backdrop, just like Russia-Ukraine war, the fiscal imbalance in India, the role of LIC as a domestic institutional investor, foreign institutional investors selling in India, and hell lot of factors. I feel that LIC is completely overvalued. Henceforth, our fund is not going to be investing in Life Insurance Corporation. Rather, as and when LIC would get listed on NSE and BSE, our fund will not invest in LIC at least for many months. So assuming at the end of May, LIC get listed NSE or BSE, our fund will not invest in LIC at least till September and October. And we will wait by the time we get our own price. Of course, in this Facebook Connect, I'm not naming or I'm not telling what is my ideal price of LIC, but I strongly feel that LIC is overvalued. I share the same perception about Paytm, about Zomato, about Policy Bazaar, about Nikia, about Card Trade, and many more companies. And you know what had happened. But that's a separate thing, that paid, sold, and corrupt Indian media is always reluctant to share this. And this is one of the problems why I would say the situation is getting messier in the Indian capital market. And please be rest assured, the situation would continue to be messier, because by the time we speak, we trust the media. Today also, I got a very important statistics about Life Insurance Corporation from the Google. So this is not the proprietary information. This information is very much available on the Google. I got this information probably in a stage-wise manner. I would be making the videos in that regards. But having said that, after reading this information, I was like, what the hell is happening in the system? Because after Paytm, one thing I raised is that why Indian mutual funds are investing in loss-making companies. So before I start this, to be a delivery boy in India, you need to be a graduate, but majority of the cricketers and Bollywood stars who even not graduate, they are promoting the financial products. Just like Akshay Kumar is promoting the insurance product Policy Bazaar. Mr. Amitabh Bachchan is promoting a bank, promoting non-banking financial corporation. Ranveer Singh is promoting crypto. And there are many leading examples. This is a sheer evidence that the investors are carried away because of these Bollywood or cricketing personalities. Just like Rohit Sharma, the Indian cricket team captain, is promoting mutual funds. Mahendra Singh Dhoni also promoted mutual funds. Sachin Tendulkar promoting DBS Bank. So, the novice and the retail investors get carried away. But the sleeping system of India will dare to stop this. So a cricketer or a Bollywood star who is a 10th fail, who do not know F of financial market, who do not dealt with financial market, who do not have any form of knowledge, experience and expertise in financial market, is promoting the financial market products. And unfortunately, the retail investors in India trust them and invest. So there is an ad which is coming, which is called Mutual Fund Sahi Hai. In this ad, which is Mutual Fund Sahi Hai, they believe that mutual fund is a good product. So you should invest in a mutual fund. Rather, you should invest for a long term. Because if you invest for a long term, you will get a very decent profit. But after looking at the statistics which is provided by the Google, I, of course, raising my voice once again, because to me, like, dislike, comment, views, counts, subscribers, these things hardly matter. To me, these all are immaterial. The only materialistic thing what matters is the knowledge, which, by the way, I am chasing every day and would continue to chase till the last day of my life, regardless of the perception. So today I got the information that the anchor investor portion of Life Insurance Corporation IPO has been fully subscribed on 2nd May. LIC said in a stock exchange, over 71% of the anchor book portion came from domestic mutual funds. It means around 30%, precisely 29% came from foreign people. So if domestic mutual funds not participated in LIC, it would have been another mess for LIC. Anyways, marquee investors who participated in the anchor book included Government of Singapore, who is a debt-ridden government. The debt to GDP ratio of Singapore is near about 130% and it's growing every possible year. The Government Pension Fund, the BNP Investments, Monetary Authority of Singapore. I don't know how come Monetary Authority of Singapore, who by the way is a regulator in Singapore, MAS we call them, how would they get a chance to invest in LIC? Anyways, Societe Generale, Invesco India, and Saint Capital Fund. Domestic investors include SBI Mutual Fund, ICICI Prudential, SBI Life Insurance, Aditya Birla Sun Life, Axis Mutual Fund, HDFC Trustee, Nippon Life, Kotak Mahindra Life Insurance, L&T Mutual Fund, Tata Investment Corporation, UTI Mutual Fund, Sundaram Mutual Fund, IDFC Mutual Fund, and Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. Now the biggest question is, these all financial institutions, either they are mutual funds or they are the trustee companies, or maybe they are the insurance companies. Now, whether you are a mutual fund, you are a trustee company, or you are an insurance company, the investments which you're doing in LIC is a retail investor money. So today, if I invest my money in a mutual fund, then whether it is State Bank of India, whether this is SBI Mutual Fund, ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund, Aditya Birla Mutual Fund, Axis Mutual Fund, they invest my money. Many big mutual funds invested in Zomato. They did invested in Paytm, invested in Nike, invested in Policy Bazaar, invested in Car Trade. But the corrupt Indian media, I repeat, the corrupt Indian media dare to ask any question that you invested 100 rupees, what is the valuation of that 100 rupees as we speak? Indian media will never ask such questions. Now I got another statistics, a very interesting statistics, and of course more videos would be on the cards. Mutual funds pumped 4,000 crores in the anchor book of Life Insurance Corporation. So near about more than 5,500 crores, you can say. Out of 5,500 crores, around 4,000 crores is invested by the domestic mutual funds. 4,000 crores. Who owns this 4,000 crores? Whose money is this 4,000 crores? Is this the money of the mutual funds? Is this the hard-earned money of mutual funds? This is the hard-earned money of Indian retail investor who invested in mutual funds, and in turn, mutual funds invested in Life Insurance Corporation. Another interesting fact, I would say the interesting fact is that mutual funds invested at around 949 rupees. So the LIC anchor book closed on 2nd May with 59.2 million shares on offer, and out of 59.2 million, 42.1 goes to domestic mutual fund. Around 99 mutual funds, around 99 mutual funds invested 4,000 crores at a piece of 949. An anchor book is having a limitation, which means that after listing you cannot sell the shares, you need to wait. 99 mutual funds invested 4,000 crores. Guys, this is the witness. What should I say about LIC? A company whose market share was 80% at a given point of time, and now it is around 64%. The competitors of Life Insurance Corporation is slowly and steadily gaining the momentum. If we speak ICICI Prudential, ICICI Lombard, whether this is HDFC Life, they are gaining the momentum, and of course they are registering a good profit, not to mention this. They are coming up better products than Life Insurance Corporation. LIC bottom line, which is also known as PAT, profit after tax in our parlance, it is between 2,600 crores to 2,900 crores, which means whether this is financial year 19, financial year 20 and financial year 21. The Life Insurance Corporation, I would say bottom line, which is profit after tax, is between 2,600 crores to 2,900 crores. And this company is asking a valuation of 14 lakh crores at a given point of time. I was also in the media at that point of time that what the hell, a company just 2,600 crores of net profit is asking near about 14 lakh crores of valuation. But I don't know what had happened or what had not happened. The government slashed the valuation from 14 lakh crores to 6 lakh crores, which means less than 50%. And none of the media house raised this as a concern, that how come the valuation of LIC decreased from 14 lakh crores at a given point of time to 6 lakh crore, which means less than 50%. And now another scary news which is coming. Of course, I have more news, but I don't have the time. That 99 mutual funds invested near about 4,000 crores in the anchor book. 4,000 crores. Now, this is how the things happened in India. Let it be honest. When a Bollywood star who is a 10th fail, a cricketer who is also a 10th fail, who do not know the F of finance, who never worked in a treasury department, who do not know how the Reuters, Bloomberg, how these screens look like, who do not know, the different type of mutual funds do you have and how to compute the valuation of a mutual fund, what is the accounting treatment of the mutual fund, how mutual fund, the so-called asset management companies invest. They promote mutual funds by saying mutual funds sahi hai. This is what you get on the media, right? Mutual funds sahi hai. And once the retail investor pump his money by watching people like Rohit Sharma, the current captain of KKR team, and earlier it was Mahendra Singh Dhoni, not to mention the champion of the universe, Sachin Tendulkar. They invest the money, and in turn, these mutual funds invested 4,000 crores of retail investor money in LIC. So this raises a lot of question. Of course, more videos would come. What would if these mutual funds not invested? Then think yourself. More videos would be on the card on YouTube. This is Rahul Magan from Treasury Consulting Group. You knew my personal number 9899242978. I repeat 9899242978. These cricketers and Bollywood stars, they need to understand one thing. Not everyone is sold in India. That's right.